Hey y'all, it's MissUniqueBeautii in the building and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my handmade mermaid lock extensions. So I make these lock extensions a little bit different. I use my Afro Kinky bulk hair along with my 12-inch Burmese curly hair because my client wanted a shorter look, but she also wanted the hair to be blended all the way through, and that's what I did. And I also still left some curly hair on the ends. She did want her locks colored red, so I did go ahead and do a bleach bath on these lock extensions, which is some powder bleach, some 40 volume developer, and boiling hot water. And this is what the color is looking like after I went ahead and bleached it. I didn't bleach it too bright because she didn't want the red to be super bright. This is her hair. I am going to go in and touch up her roots as well. And this is me installing the first bit of the lock extensions. This is me a little further up. And as you guys can see, the blend with her hair and these lock extensions are seamless. And this is just a really fast clip of me showing you how I installed. So all I did was add the top of that lock to the end of her hair, and I went ahead and just crocheted until everything was completely locked together. Now I'm going in with some bleach. I used powder bleach and 20 volume developer just to lift her roots a little bit. And then I'm going to go in and add Adore Ruby Red to her entire head, lock extensions, and her roots. And this is what the color is looking like. So beautiful. This fire red is just so gorgeous. She loved this color. I love this color as well. It's just so beautiful. So I went in with a retwist. I did 2-strand twists. I do 2-strand twists for my retwist, and this is the style that she wanted. I did 4 barrel rolls going up into a ponytail at the top and left the ends hanging down, and this came out absolutely gorgeous. If you guys are interested in purchasing these lock extensions, check out my Etsy shop. I do have it linked in my bio. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more updates.